Welcome back, boys and girls. All right, so hopefully you've already gone and either read the above text on slide 2 of tornadoes, or you listened to me read it to you. If you read it and you're like, that was hard, there's some vocabulary in there I don't know, then go back and, sorry, I just dropped something. Go back and listen to me read it. I did stop and discuss some of the harder vocabulary words in that text. All right. If you're ready to move on to this page for the comprehension questions, you have a prove it tornadoes. So what this says is it says answer each question with text-based evidence. Text-based evidence means that you're getting your evidence to answer these questions from the text above. Okay, so scroll back up and use that text to help you answer these questions. Don't go off of your memory. Don't go off of things you think you know about tornadoes. Don't go off of, well, I think. I think is an opinion, not facts. Pull the facts, pull that stuff from the text, okay? Each response must have an evidence prompt included. Refer to your evidence bookmark. So, boys and girls, as Humphrey fourth graders, you know what is expected to you in answering open response questions. We're getting a lot of these assignments back where you guys are not putting your answers in complete sentences. Not acceptable. You know better. Put it in a complete sentence. I said that slowly because I really want you guys to hear me. Miss Nunn, Miss Pierre, Miss Reagan, and myself, Miss Gonzalez, all expect you to be answering these in complete sentences. Capitals at the beginning of your sentences, punctuation. You guys have also been taught since 3rd grade. I know all your 3rd grade teachers taught you guys when you are answering a question, restate the question in your answer. So question number 1 says, how does this text define a tornado? Okay, a tornado is. There's your restatement of your question. Now go back up to the text and see what the text says a tornado is. According to the text, a tornado is blah, 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 blah. Second question, what size can a tornado be? Go back up to the text. What sizes of tornadoes can be blah, blah, blah. Number 3, describe a tornado's wind speed. Okay, the wind speed of a tornado is blah, 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 according to the text. Number 4, how many tornadoes occur in the United States each year? In the United States, we have blah tornadoes every year, or more than blah, blah, whatever it says up in the text. And number 5, what is the purpose of this passage? Now, when you answer this question, guys, think author's purpose. Authors write things to either have to persuade you of something. So is the author's purpose to persuade you? Don't just put persuade. Say, I think the author's purpose is to persuade me, and tell me what you think they're trying to persuade you into. Is it to entertain you? Is it to inform you? If it's to inform you, tell us what this author is trying to inform you about. All right. And then Miss Nunn put this comment up here that says bonus. What is the text structure of tornadoes? And why do you think that? There's going to be a slide at the very end of this work that you guys are doing where you're going to have an open response question where you're going to have to answer that. Just give you guys a little hint, text structure, I went over that in the first video link with the first slide. Just saying. Just saying. So that might be a hint. What is the structure of this text? All right. My next video link on the next page is going to be on the next structure of text. See you soon.